Welcome back to the Adventures with the Average Joe, and I'm Joe. This is how I spent my 4th of July holiday. Come join me on my adventure. Let's have some fun. Happy 4th of July from the mechanics. Had to get Jasmine fixed up because I didn't have the right poles to pull that magneto cover off. So my favorite mechanic is going to help me out today, get my seals put in. I should be good to go for a long time. I love this bike. He's partly tore down, getting ready to fix up. Not much longer and should be back to new. That's what I couldn't get off. I didn't have the right tools. Now we got to get the magneto off and he can change his seal. Gotta apply it a little bit. It's on there pretty good. And it's off. Wow. There's the gasket. Cleaning up the bike a little bit. Cleaning up the bike a little bit. That one has a new seal in it. Next, it's that one. And the rain came. Almost done. Got that back on. Another step closer. Another step closer. Still getting it done. Definitely raining out. Almost back together. Rain stopped. The sun come out. And my bike is finished.